Hey guys, I'm Raul Morales, buyer's representative and founder of Mycasa Real Estate, where we have access to every property in the region and we save you money, time, and effort. Let's see what our property specialist Rainier has for us today.
Thank you, Raul. Let's see what property we've got for you today. Welcome to the video presentation of Aldea Zama Rental Villa for sale, brought to you by Mycasa Real Estate. We have access to all properties in the region and we get you the best price. How would you like to own a gorgeous 4-bedroom villa, minutes from Tulum, Puerto, and the beautiful beaches of the Riviera Maya? Comfortably accommodating 8 guests with 5 beds on 2 levels, this Aldea Zama Villa has everything you could ask for in a part-time home or investment property. It's a perfect rental for a family or a large group spending vacation time in Tulum or coming down for a special event. Originally built by a local architect for his own family, attention to detail is obvious throughout the property. Ceramics and local woods, marble and tile, completely equipped, furnished and outfitted. This property with a beautiful backyard and pool is the meaning of turnkey. You can take possession without a pause in the rental income stream. Solar panels provide a majority of the electrical power required. Electric bills, one of the biggest variables in rental properties here, are modest, month in and month out. If your purpose in buying is rental income, you found the house in Aldea Zama in a decent price range. Verifiable net rental income has averaged between $5,000 and $6,000 US per month. Tulum market moves fast, so what you see available today may not be available tomorrow. If you'd like to take a tour or want more detailed information on this property, let's talk about how to reserve it.
Well, if you have any other questions, please let us know. I'm Raul Morales, buyer's representative and founder of Mycasa Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and let's be neighbors soon.